Araw mga ka-problematics. If I remember, nakapag-upload po ako ng 3x3 magic squares and I have give more examples on how to begin or to find the possible positions of every squares. Now at this time, ang i-reveal po natin is how are we going to find the positions of every number for a 5x5 magic squares. Paano yun? Ganito lang yun. Okay. Tingnan mabuti kung ano ang gagawin natin para pag kayo naman ang gumawa, baka sabihin ng inyong kaklase, kaibigan, nanay, wow, magic! So, let's try. Now, I have prepared a 5x5 magic square. Po yun. Ang tatandaan lang natin ay lagi po tayo mag-start sa pinakataas ng ating pong magic squares. So, taas pero gitna. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ang gitna po nun is 3. 1, 2, 3. So, we are on number 3 position. Be sure we're going to write our first number, which is number 1. Remember that the number that we're going to write in every squares is 25 numbers. But our problem is how are we going to write the numbers in an exact position so that the sum of the numbers, diagonal, vertical, and horizontal must be equals to 65. Let's try. Now, ulitin ko po. Lagi pong dito po mag-umpisa if there is a number 1 at ito pa ang dapat tandaan. Kailangan yung numbers is consecutive numbers or magkakasunod-sunod. So, I have now my number 1. Since 5x5 tayo, ang movement natin is, remember, diagonal tayo. So, pag walang squares na kasunod, count 5 pababa. So, I have my number 2. Diagonal, bakante naman po, lalagyan natin ng number 3. Diagonal, walang number, count 5. That's number 4. Diagonal, number 5. Then, na-block po tayo dito. Ang movement natin diagonal, since there is 1, we have to drop 6 pagkatapos ng 5 sa baba. Then, diagonal, I have number 7. I have number 8. For my number 9, papunta doon, there is no squares, so drop down, count 5. So, mapapunta po dito si number 9. For my next number, wala na namang number dito. Wala naman pong box, so count 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nandito po si number 10. For my number 11, since na-block na naman ito ng 6, bawal naman po natin tanggalin yan. So we have to drop number 11 sa baba ng number 10. Then diagonal movement, I have 12. I have 13. I have 13. Next is 14. And I have 15. Now for my next number, going to the position, since there is no squares, ang gagawin po natin is just to drop the number, which is 16. Then for my next number, which is equals to number 17, diagonal movement, walang squares, so count 5 here. So I have now my number 17. For my number 18, movement, no squares, drop down, count 5, so I have 18. Movement, diagonal, I have 19. I have number 20. Now for my number 21, supposedly nandito po yun, so na-block po tayo, therefore ibababa lang po natin ang ating number. For my number 22, next is for my number 23, wala naman po squares, so we're going to count 5, therefore I have number 23. For my number 24, and I have my number 25 in here. Let us check now. In short, if we're going to add the numbers inside the squares in horizontal form, their sums, if we add 17 plus 24 plus 1 plus 8 plus 15 is 65. As well as 23 plus 5 plus 7 plus 14 plus 16 is 65. Hanggang sa makarating tayo sa baba, that is equals to 11 plus 18 plus 25 plus 2 is equals to 65. Let us check 1 for vertical. 17 plus 23 plus 4 plus 10 plus 11, that is equals to 65. As well as 24 plus 5 plus 6 plus 12 plus 18, 25, 65. 15 plus 16 plus 22 plus 3 plus 9 is 65. How about diagonal? We have 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 is 65. 17 plus 5 plus 13 plus 21 plus 9 is also equals to 60. Oh, di ba ang dali lang? Bakit hindi ka mag-try? Try mo kaya. It doesn't win. Kung ano man yung